Hey there, fellow gamers! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of gaming. Today, we're diving into the captivating universe of School Spirits 2. Get ready to experience an exhilarating adventure as you infiltrate a mysterious and eerie school filled with ghostly spirits. Team up with your friends and embark on this thrilling journey, navigating through the labyrinthine corridors and engaging with intriguing NPCs along the way. But be cautious, as these spirits are not your average ghosts. They possess unique abilities and can manifest in unexpected ways, making your encounter with them a truly unnerving experience. In this riveting game, you'll find yourself in a life or death battle against these formidable FOs. But fear not! You're armed with an array of powerful weapons that can tip the scales in your favor and help you survive this intense confrontation. So brace yourselves for an adrenaline-pumping ride. So, are you ready to step into the haunted halls of School Spirits 2? Let's team up and face these spooky spirits together. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exhilarating gaming updates. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Until next time, keep on gaming!